guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. I got my second order on TikTok shop. I just opened my shop like a few weeks ago, so that's cool. But the first order I already shipped out is for a possum. This order is for a plant hanger and a little witch cauldron car hanger. So I'm working on that. First I have to untangle my yarn, so I'm going to roll this up in a ball. And I hope this yarn winder works because I couldn't get it to work last time. See, I don't know what's wrong with this, but this is not a cake. Like, what is this? I don't know what's going on. I found a YouTube tutorial on how to fix the yarn winder and it is working now, so I'm excited. That was actually easy. I just had to unscrew it and reline up the gears or something. But now it seems to be making a cake, hopefully. But now, of course, I have this mess of yarn that I have to try to deal with. Yay! Now I can start crocheting this planter. I promise one of these days I'll replace my light bulbs in this room. But I got my package labels in the mail. I ordered more because I only had one left. So I got these back so I can ship some more orders. I'm going to ship out my Christmas trees today because those are done. I do have a TikTok order that I have to ship out, but I have to finish making those. So yeah, I'm going to package up this order really fast. But yeah, I just ordered these, like, I ordered these labels. They're just like split down the middle, so there's 2 labels per sheet, and I can just put these in my regular printer and it'll print like 2 labels. So I use those. I don't have like a label printer, I just use my regular printer because label printers are kind of expensive. Like, I wish you could find one for like $50, but all the ones I've been seeing are like $150, $200, so I have not bought one of those yet. Although I have to look in my garage because I think the old owner left a label printer in there and I wonder if it works. But yeah, I just buy these labels and these half sheet labels, and I just put them in my printer and they work good. And I like these sticker ones. I was originally just using copy paper and like printing it and taping it, but these stickers are honestly so much more convenient and it'll use less tape. But anyway, I'm going to ship out these Christmas trees. I really hope the box I have will fit them all. We'll have to see, but yeah. I got an order for these 3 trees. They're so cute together. Aw, they're going to be such cute like Christmas decor, but yeah, I got an order for those. Let me grab the biggest box I have and see if it fits. If not, I have some Amazon boxes I might have to repurpose, but let me see. This is the biggest box I have. I don't know how big it is, but let's see. Stephanie has the bigger boxes at her place. Like, I just want to like make enough money so that we can consolidate and have like a studio space, because we're both running this out of both of our homes and it's kind of a mess. I don't think this box is going to be big enough. I'm gonna have to find another box somewhere because I don't think this is big enough for this. But I don't want to put the trees in a poly mailer because I feel like they'll get squished because they have cardboard in the bottom to keep them like stiff. And I don't want them getting squished, so I feel like I need to put them in a box, but I think this is going to be, yeah, this is definitely going to be too small. Yeah, that is not going to fit. I'm going to have to go, let me go look for another box somewhere around here. Okay, I found this box. It's an Amazon box. I ripped off all the old labels, so should be good. I think this should fit all 3 of them. Yeah. That fits it good. So we're going to go ahead and package everything up nicely in here. I think, okay, cool. I have some bubble wrap and stuff still, so, you know, I like my cute purple packages, but we'll reuse what we can. Okay, let's, I'm going to print out the packing slip really fast, just because I like to include that in there so they know that I know what they ordered. So we got large green, medium multicolor, small red. Okay, good. So like, I don't know how loud that printer is. Okay. Why is it? I don't know why it printed so tiny. I don't know why it printed literally like this big. Okay, hold on. I don't know why it was set to like 4x6. It printed so tiny. Okay, that's better. So, got the packing slip. Yeah, let's get all the goodies. Sorry if this angle's trash, but we try. Alright. Okay, so I have some of these little like bubble things from something else I ordered. I'm just gonna like put this in here just so they don't like flop around too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these up just because I like to have them protected and they're so pretty. Gotta keep them safe. Okay. I'm just gonna wrap these up in some tissue paper. I always use these little like, I have these little thank you stickers that I just use to like close the tissue paper. I'll just plop that in there. And I use some of these. I'm gonna use some of these bubbles just on the sides here where like it's kind of open, just so they're nice and safe in there. I mean, they're literally just like foam, but I don't want the cardboard to like get dented or anything, so we're just making sure they're nice and safe. And plus there's like, this box is kind of tall, so there's like some wiggle room. Where am I stuck at? Okay, then the third little tree. Ooh, I'm so excited someone bought these little trees and they're going to decorate their house all cute for Christmas. I love these little trees. I have them in my living room because they're adorable. Okay. So cool. I have all 3 little trees in there. I'm going to throw some more bubbles on top just so it doesn't wiggle around too much in there. There we go. And then I'm going to throw in my packing slip here. And then I have just a little thank you card. And then my business card, of course, that I'm going to go ahead and just plop those on top. And this order is almost ready to go. I just got to print out the label. Just got to print out the label and this will be all ready to go. Alright, this package is all ready to go. So I'll have to drop that off at the post office sometime before Friday. We're going out of town on Friday, so gotta get that shipped before Friday because we're going out of town, so I'll probably get that to the post office sometime. It's only Tuesday, so we'll get it there. Probably tomorrow I'll take it and drop it off. But I want to finish making the planter. I have to make a planter and a car hanger, so I'm gonna make that tonight. I gotta finish the planter, and then I can probably finish the car hanger tonight as well, and then I can ship that out as well, because I want to get that out before Friday as well. Also with TikTok, they give you like 3 days to ship it, so I want to ship it as soon as possible. And then this was due to ship tomorrow, so it'll be shipped out tomorrow. But last night we got another giant order on Etsy. Someone ordered 19 plushies. So that's going to be a whole separate vlog of me making everything for that order and shipping that out, because it's going to be massive. And I'm excited to make all the plushies and just see them all together. And I'm really glad that I have Stephanie to help me do that, because this is a big task. And I want to try to get it done before Friday, because I think it has to ship out by the 4th. And we won't be back until the 3rd. So I want to try to get what I can done, give them to Stephanie, and then have her. She can probably package them and ship them out. She has the big boxes, so. But yeah, that'll be a whole separate vlog of working on that. So stay tuned for that. But, you know, it's December. We're vlogging every day, so it'll be somewhere in here at some point. Might be mashed together over a span of a few days, but we'll see. So yeah, let's go to the living room where there's hopefully better lighting, and we're gonna crochet the last few things that we have to crochet. I already have a couple little presents under the tree. I got one for my niece, and I got Kevin some presents, and I used Spider-Man wrapping paper for him. And hello, Shmee. Miles, what else do you have to say, huh? Yes? Yes? The cats are sad though, because this is kind of their bed. And they're not going to have room pretty soon. Right, Vader? Where you at though? What's up, my guy? Hi! Oh, you're so cute. Okay. So I'm almost done with my planter. Alright, I finished the little planter. So cute. I love these so much. Yeah, I finished this for the order, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my other yarn and work on the car hanger now. Okay, I just finished the car charm. So it's this little cat, like witch cat, and a cauldron. I made a bunch of these for like Halloween season, so yeah. There's that. And of course we have the planter. So these are the 2 things they ordered. I'm gonna go ahead and get these packaged up and ready to ship. Alright, this order's all ready to go, but I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this vlog up here. It's like 8 o'clock at night. I'm about to go watch Mockingjay with my husband, because we want to watch all the Hunger Games movies, because we want to go through the new one soon. So, yep, but thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you can keep watching all my Vlogmas videos. I'm uploading every day in December, so enjoy. Next video maybe will hopefully be me making these 19 plushies for this next order, so yay.